Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, so welcome to our channel. Today we're just gonna take you along our day to show you what we do on our day off. Our first stop is here. We are at IKEA in the parking lot, but we're gonna be showing you what we're gonna be looking at. We have some things we want to buy, and then later on throughout the day we're gonna show you a new cafe that Karina found, and we're gonna show you what we buy, if it's good, if it's not. But yeah, just come along with us and we'll take you along with us. Bye. Okay. You like it too, though. Very nice. No, they're gonna have them more over there. They have like a display.
Hey guys, we made it out of IKEA. Now we're walking to the cafe. You just saw it. To leave. Oh, okay.
Did you want your tea?
Eating in a dangerous neighborhood.
I got one of each.
Okay, to taste.
I go there for lunch sometimes when I'm craving pho.
Ready?
Yeah.
A little bit of this.
Wait, that used to be something else, right? No, it's at the top. It's at the top, right? It's the bottom.
Bottom, the corner.
Have I been there? I think it's Mama.
I went in that plaza next to like
What is that?
Right?
I've had that taste before. Yeah, it just melts.
It just melts, right?
Yeah, you just feel like a little crunch from the top and from the bottom. But the inside is like airy.
Have you
had this.
On Sautel? Oh, I did. This is terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. I mean, anybody in the
Right?
room
The Nutella
that would like has
Let me have it by
access to
itself.
don't get it. Okay.
Similar texture to
Oh, if it's little sister. If it's little sister, it actually is. Well, but it's fancy.
the breakfast food that you soak it in
You're gonna overpay.
an egg.
It is good, but you're gonna overpay.
Yeah, see?
Bread, an egg.
Cinnamon toast?
True. But it's different. It's like
No?
you know. And actually, I actually
Is that what you call
it
it?
is good. So you should go. Because I had the one in downtown, and I thought it was really good.
cinnamon
I actually
toast.
liked it.
No way. Okay. Oh, this is hard. No, it's a good song. Okay. Just want to give a quick update. I was okay with it at first, but now the texture on the inside is really bugging me. It's kind of making. I know that Karina likes it a lot, but I don't know. I don't like the texture. It's making me gag a little bit. I think after so much, I think I could do maybe just one. Where the texture didn't bother me, but the same texture because it reminds me of like mushed up bananas. And I don't like that.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So just a little update. I would not eat the whole thing again. I will take a bite or two now. I think the Nutella helps a lot.
I
So
disagree.
that's my update. Karina can tell you her update. Okay.
All the way together, not just
But the guys, like, you know, the guys are all.
Including my guy?
Oh,
Oh, okay. I'm like, that's
all the other friends are like the same amount.
yeah, all the friends are the same.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
weird. But it's good.
So it's not heavy.
It's not heavy at all. It's like very.
it's like almost like a drunk barrel, you know, like
But usually it's
guy
two,
goes
but-
guys, and then when he's drunk, that's
It's like you chew the top and the bottom.
it's like gross.
Just so like.
Julie doesn't go like
And how's your drink?
Oh, my drink is delicious. I kind of like messed this up and there's milk all over it.
It's okay. Yeah. Which one do you get?
I got the handmade brown sugar boba milk. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I got the. If you get comfortable talking to the camera.
Yeah, we're not comfortable.
We're not
enough.
comfortable at all.
We only get comfortable when we forget the camera's there.
Yes. And then we just do sermons.
And then we just...
Okay.
Okay.
So hi guys. So it's almost the end of the night.
Skin o'clock time.
I took off my watch. I do have a watch.
Yeah, it's 7:47.
Yeah. So we did what we wanted to do. We went to IKEA. We looked around at furniture that they had available. We still needed to. Well, I still need to decide what I want, but that's for another video. And then we went to this cafe that we wanted to try for a good while now. Karina found it. What's it called?
Miss Cheese Tea Cafe in Pasadena.
And it was quite of a drive. It was like 35 minutes, 40 minutes. It was okay. Parking.
There's mixed
Okay.
opinions.
Okay, yes.
Okay. You go first.
Okay. The nice thing about that place is the area. The area is nice.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to do some walking around, shopping, going out to eat before you go there, there's a lot of places you can easily walk to. It's a nice area. It's clean. parking is very easy to find. It's right next to the building. It's like an indoor garage that's just a few slots for the people that eat there, and then they have like a private lot for like the people that live in the building. So it was easy to find parking, no trouble there. It was free. The actual place is nice. They do have a lot of seating. It's just it was a little busy. I don't know, because it was the time that we went. It was around what, like 5:30?
Yeah,
5:30. 5:30, and they also, without us knowing, they had a birthday event for one of
A K-pop idol?
a K-pop idol. Yeah, his name is Samuel. His birthday was today, or his birthday is coming up.
I don't remember.
I forgot. It had his birthday on there, but sometimes they do these events before his birthday.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it was actually today, but they were hosting that event there. So I'm guessing some of those girls that were there for the event. So it was a little bit busier, but once we ordered, it was easy to find a table. It was really cute place. Reminds me kind of like European, like little small round tables with little fancy little chairs.
Yeah.
Very European, and it's spacious in there. The staff was really nice too. We ordered stuff that we saw on the Instagram page. We both got the same thing without us knowing the size of the item.
Yeah.
Cause we got the Nutella Soufflé pancakes, right?
Yeah. Which we could have shared one.
Yes, easily.
Because they look so much smaller in the picture.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them.
They're like this big.
Yeah, big. 3, and then they give you a big side of Nutella, and then they pour that cheese
foam thing
on top, and syrup.
on top of it.
And hers had a mint leaf. And chocolate syrup.
Okay, only because when she ordered, she literally got her plate like 2 minutes after she ordered.
Yeah, I did.
And I ordered mine, and I got it like 20 minutes
minutes
after.
later.
I had to actually go up there and ask the employees how long my plate was gonna take. They said 2 minutes. I'm assuming they forgot and just said 2 minutes to not make it seem like they forgot.
Yeah.
But when they eventually did come out with it, they put extra sauce and then like a little more decoration to mine. I think to make up for the fact that it took so long for them to take it out. But yeah, we ordered that because we wanted to try it, and we ordered drinks. Okay, first for the souffle, because that's what we went for.
Yeah.
Overall opinion.
I like the texture. It was very airy, very kind of disappears in your mouth. Didn't like the Nutella. Not a big fan of it. I liked the souffle itself without the Nutella. But would I go again? Like, was it an item that made me say, oh, I'm gonna go back to order this? No. Like, it was good, but it's not something, I don't know, it's not something I would go back to in a while.
That it's so good that you
Hi guys, sorry we lost our footage from the previous video. It was my fault, but we'll do better. Try not to lose our videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys watch. I mean, it's nothing special, but I hope you guys watch, and I hope you enjoy our future videos. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And
yeah, look forward for more videos from us. Stay tuned, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.